Hello guys, what's up? This is my first tutorial on Scratch coding. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Scratch account. Okay, then let's go to the video. Wait, I'll share my screen. Okay, now you can see my screen. To do that, first you must go to this website, scratch.meet.edu. I'll post this link on the below description box and the chat comment section. Now I'll go to this website. First, I will log out from this because I have already logged in for this. You haven't button called sign out. Okay. And if you're not registered for Scratch, you'll get an interface like this. Now, for creating an account on Scratch, you must click here, Join Scratch. After you come to the website, Join Scratch. Then, don't use your real name. Put a username like Scratch Online, like that. It's an example, you can't use that because it's my username already. You can use that this way. You don't use this username, and you can do like this: half of your name, like first name, and put any number or anything you like, or a cartoon name, but don't use your real name. I'll put a username. Okay, I use this username. You don't use this because I have used this now. I'm using this. And after that, you must put a password, but you must remember it. I'll put a password now. I'll put a password now. And you must click on next here. After that, you must save it, then it will automatically get login when you come to this Scratch website. Because of that, you must save it. Don't put never. Save the password. Save the password, yeah. And you must select your country. I put my country here. It's too far. Yeah, I put my country here. Oh yeah. And give next here. And put your date of birth without your date. Sorry, date. Put your month and year. Okay. And give next again. And put your gender, male or female. And give next again. And you must give your email address. I'll give my email address here because then only you can get the verification. Sorry. Okay, and click on create account now. Okay, now you must go to your email. You will get a confirmation code, confirmation link. Here you must click on get stand after you install get standard, and it's not verified. You must confirm your email here. You can here see. Your email is not verified. You can see here. Your email is not verified. If your email is verified, you get a right mark here. Here after your email. Wait, I'll show you after verifying my email. Okay, wait, I'll go. Email. Oh, email. Yeah. Here we have get a email, confirmation email. You can see it here. Yeah, it's loading. And click on confirm your confirm my account here. And done. Your account is verified. So the account is verified now. Now see here, you'll get a mark here. I told you email is confirmed. Yeah, you can change your password and email also. Yeah, you can change your email also. Or you can change your you can't change your username, but you can change your email. And no, you can change your username. Yeah, sorry. And you also can delete this account. And also you can put a profile picture. Go to your here. Go to profile, not profile. Go to account settings here. And sorry, go to profile here. And go to click on. Don't click. When you're clicking on the profile, now you must select a picture. It must be 500 pixels. Yeah, I already have an image. Okay, I got it here. It must be 500 pixels. Okay, it's getting out. Okay, confirmed. Now you can make a small project. This is loading. Yeah, it's loading. Okay. The title here. Cat. You can put and wins and go to click. Yes. And language. Yeah. Now you can also put mouse pointer here. Yeah. Its code is that. Yeah. Now, yep. And yeah. Put these as 90 degrees. Yeah. 22 center. Here. And put it as 50. If starting edge, if the sensors touching edge, if touching edge, then put bounce. Yeah. Here. And put it again. Repeat. And this is a small thing, small project. Yeah, very nice. Put rotation style as left, right. You can repeat it 10 times. Okay, the project is finished. Now you can click see now. You will not get, yeah, and click on share. Okay, share. It's okay now. You get a message. It's a message means you get. Okay. Now you can go to my stuff and see your project is there here. You can set a thumbnail. Yeah, okay. Now our session is over. And also you can join our team. I'll put the team link or website link also in the description, also in the comment section. Also in the live chat. Okay. Then you can go here to our website and click apply now and apply. Yeah, and apply. Then apply here. Okay. Okay. Also, I put my Scratch Online team Scratch profile page. You can get our projects, but we have created only one project. We're supposed to create projects. Or yeah, we are going to create. And now I'm the CEO of Scratch Online team. Here you can see me. I'm the CEO of Scratch Online team, and I'm the founder. Also, you can join our Scratch team from our website. I put that link below description and in the comment section. Thank you. Yes, I'm supposed to do another tutorial on Scratch, creating an account. It's to make a teacher's account, educator's account in Scratch. We're supposed to do that also. Okay. You see on the next tutorial on Scratch Online. Thank you. Goodbye.